How to tailor your data list for export. Open the data list window. If you see group traits, open the list and add or remove the items you prefer or is required. Once done, delete group traits and click OK to confirm. Group traits are no longer visible. Next, go to Files, then Display Template and choose Export. Give the file a clear name and save it to the local disk so that it's accessible for everyone. To apply the template, go back to Files, then Display Template and select Apply. Choose the file you just saved. Now let's set it as the default. Go to Environmental Settings. Then Shortcut Setting, then Other Settings. Under Display Template. Select your saved file and click Apply. That's it. Your new data list layout is saved and will always be used as the default for export. Thank you for watching. www.narich.co.za